What are you doing? Good job, Connor. Here, I'll hold it. Okay. Have fun talking to him. Good job, Connor. What color is that? What color is that, honey? Can you say blue? Say blue. I know you're busy. Good job. Thank you. Can you give that to Mommy?
No.
No. There's your Play-Doh, too. It's over there. Dad made it into a worm. Help? This is... You want me to take the top off? Okay, let's see if... It's empty, though. Let's see. There we go. Say thank you. Are you going to color in there? Let's sit back down so we only use the colors at the table, okay? We have to be sitting at the table to use the colors. Okay, sit up here. What's that on your chin? Is that a little bit of a marker beard mixed with some drool? Put your marker in there. That's a real good idea. Be careful with that, honey. Uh-oh. Connor, where's your marker? Uh-oh. It dropped. Where's the marker? It's down there. Well, that's the lid to your Play-Doh, but where's your marker? Now you're not wanting to talk since I got the camera on you. Very busy. Very focused. Good job. Good job. That's a big boy. Hey, where are you going? Where'd you go, sweetheart? Oh, apparently he's in the other room for good. Connor, where's your fire truck? Okay, Sesame Street has caught his attention.